Hi guys, it's time for a mystery box. We're getting right down to it. This is a digital mystery box. There are 4 cartridges and 10 fonts, and I'm going to show you all those right now. But remember, a digital mystery box means as soon as you purchase it, you have instant access to it. You may need to log out and log back in, but you'll be able to start creating right now, and you can cut and create and design with these images. These images may become available in access in the future, but right now the only time to get them is through this mystery box. And this is an amazing deal to get them now. So if you do have access, you'll get a discount. If you have premium access, you'll get 50% off. So then because you did purchase, when you no longer have access, you'll always have these images to create with without paying for access. Let's get started. The first one is holiday gift boxes. These are pretty cool. Like this one looks like it would be an amazing one for Halloween. Like to me that looks like a witch's cauldron, but it depends on the paper you use of what it might look like. Look at the star. Love the donut. Heart, perfect for Valentine's Day. And look at that stocking. This would be great to give to treats to people you work with or for your kids' school or anything like that. Look at how nice these boxes are. And look, a stove box. I am so excited about this. And a mug box. This would be great to put candies and treats in. These are so fun. I will be doing a video on some of these. If they're more difficult to figure out, I'll do a video and show you how to do it. And then we have Miss Kate Cuttable Giftables. These are so much fun for treat boxes too, but then there's also pop-up cards. Polar bear card. These are pop-ups. See how they're little popped up? And remember, you can use any color you want. You never have to use the colors that they have here. You can use pattern paper. You can emboss the paper. You can paint the paper. You can do it with whatever you want. And next we have holiday candy bar wrappers. Okay, how cute are these? I was going to order candy bars from the store and I forgot. This just reminded me. Look at the turkey. Oh, and the bunny, so cute. So they have 2 sizes for each. Santa, oh, love that one. 2 or 3 sizes. I think there's 3 sizes. So cute. Reindeer, and they got all the holidays. Look at even a firecracker. Fireworks. So cute, the gingerbread man. So cute that is. Okay, there's 53 of those. And then we have Jen Goody Designs. Little Winter Gifts. Now, I love her designs. She has drawing on all of them. Let me bring this in. Now, remember, if you don't like these colors, that's okay. You don't have to make them in these colors. You can do any color you want. We're going to bring that in too so I can show you the drawing. And this has drawing on it. You can always turn the drawing off if you don't want it. But look at this bow. Oh my gosh, I love that bow. I love that it's different colors. That is pretty. You can even cut that out of leather if you want, or paper, or acetate. Oh, I have lots of acetate to use. I might have to do that. Some tags, treat, special delivery. Very cute. Okay, let's bring these in and then I'll show you the fonts. So I want to show you, these have drawing and I'm going to ungroup, and this one has the drawing. You can just take the drawing. If you want to just use the drawing by itself, you can totally do that if you want, or you could add the drawing to this piece. Remember, you can change the color of this if you want to. Anything you want to do, if you want it to draw right on that piece, you just attach to it. And let's do this one. Let's ungroup. So we have the drawing on this piece. Let's detach. And look at that. If you don't want to use the drawing, you don't have to. But if you don't want to use all the cuts, you don't have to. You can just have it draw on that piece, or just have it draw on this piece with the glitter pen would be really pretty. A silver glitter pen or a light blue glitter pen. That would be awesome. Love Cricut glitter pens. And you also get Miss Kate Cuttable's Holiday Greetings. These are so much fun. You could do so many different things with these. You can make cards with these. You can make signs with these. You can make iron-on with these. Put them on a pillow or make a sign. Put them on wood. Okay, guys. And do you want to see the fonts? Boom. ITC Pioneer. This one is so cool. Oh, when I click on it, it goes away. This is all open in here. And then we have Normandy Roman. ITC Machine Medium. It's all caps. Phosphor. This has a small tiny line in between, so that would only be good for vinyl cutting, I think. And then FF Archean Plastic, FF Polymorph South Regular. Okay, now this one looks really cool. Did you guys see this one? I got to make it a little bigger. Let me show you how cool this is. Now you could not use this one for paper. You could make it right. These do not have writing fonts, but you could have this right on paper. It has all these little boxes, so you couldn't use paper, but it would be so cool with vinyl. I have never seen a font like this one. Look at that. That is just so cool. I really, really love that one. I'm going to change it, go up here to line type and change it to draw just to see what it looks like. That is so cool. You could engrave with this one. Oh my gosh, that would be so cool. That would be a neat one to engrave with. Or to color with. Like, it looks like it's almost like filled in. That, oh man, I can't wait to use this one. I really like that one. Now I have to create a project just for that font because it's so cool. And then we have ITC Belter Regular. I'm going to be honest, I don't really like this one. Then we have Princeton, which is an amazing one. So many people look for fonts that are like this for like schools and stuff. And then we have Yearbook Solid. So this one's more solid, and then this one is open in the center. Isn't that cool? Okay, this one is amazing. I just have to say. Love that one. All right, guys, you get all 4 of these cartridges and 10 fonts. So there is a link below. I do get a small commission when you use that link, and I appreciate that so much. Thank you guys for using that link, and I hope you have access so you get even bigger discount. My discount code does not work on digital images. So comment below, let me know if you purchase this box and what do you want to make with it? What's the first project you're going to make? All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for using my link and subscribing to my channel. Bye.